Understanding, put in mind of, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, put in mind of. This phrase can be a bit tricky for English learners, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use this phrase effectively in your conversations and writing. Put in mind of is a phrase that means to remind someone of something or to bring something to someone's attention. It's often used when something triggers a memory or a thought about something else. For example, if you see a painting and it makes you think of a place you visited, you could say, "This painting puts me in mind of Paris." Let's see some examples to understand how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. The smell of the ocean puts me in mind of my childhood vacations by the sea. 2. Listening to this song puts me in mind of the concert we attended last year. 3. Reading this book puts me in mind of the lessons my grandmother used to teach me. Notice how in each example, the phrase is used to link a current experience with a past memory or thought. When using put in mind of, be careful not to confuse it with just mind. For instance, don't say, "This puts mind of me." The correct usage is, "This puts me in mind of." Also, remember that this phrase is often used for nostalgic or reflective contexts, not for general reminders. Try to create your own sentences using put in mind of. Think of something that reminds you of a place, person, or experience, and frame a sentence using this phrase. Feel free to share your sentences in the comments below. And that's a wrap on Put in Mind of. I hope this video has put you in mind of how fun and interesting learning English idioms and phrases can be. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Until next time, happy learning!